Hello, this is Christopher, and today I'm going to be opening and unboxing a mega box of 2022 Topps Heritage baseball cards. Coming right at you there. 17 packs, plus included are 3 exclusive red border base cards, 156 cards total, 9 cards per pack. Target exclusive. Let's get it. 2022 is here to stay, maybe. 2022 Heritage, Topps Heritage, mega box. All right. So here, there's a lot of packs in this box. Yeah, I got this on at the website. Hey, look at that. I don't think that was in the other one. That's weird. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I don't know. I don't remember. It was like a couple of weeks ago that I opened the other one, or a week ago. I just forget. I'm old. So here's all the packs. Lots of packs. So I'll split that into 2. All right. Oh, one straggler right there. All right, there's the empty box we're looking for. Christopher's at it again. Gonna crack some packs and make some stacks by gripping and ripping. Get it. You know the deal. Here we go. So we have DeGrom. Fletcher's the first short print coming up already. Cronenworth. Alfred and Marco Gonzalez is first short print. Anderson and Profar round out the first pack. All right, we're moving. I think I pulled a Relic card out of the first one as well. It was a Aaron Judge Relic card. Thomas Lowe, Jorge Polanco, O'Neill, Carlson, Rookie Cup card. Bradley and Lynn. All right. Oops. Here we go. RBI leaders. Sheets, Brinson, Reese Hoskins. All right. My Phillies. Rogers Rookie Cup card. Dozier, Colton Wong. De La Cruz, New Age Performers. That's an insert. All right. Conforto. I'll check the backs either way just to make sure that there weren't any high number ones that were not backwards, but look, it's backwards, and it looks like the first red border parallels come up as well. Charlie Morton, and there's one of those. It is Vladdy Jr. All right. And this is Chavez. Short print 464. And then the first red parallel is Bobby Bradley. All right, I'll just put him up there. Sanchez, Rowdy Tellez. Rounds out that pack. All right. Here we go. John Lester. I didn't know he was still playing. Vasquez. Hernandez, Peralta. Hey, another one of these. It is Acuna, who just came back and is lighting up the Braves clubhouse. They're glad that he's back with all of his energy. Wendell and McKinstry. Well, excuse me, a couple days ago anyways, or a few days ago he came back. Anyways. Oh, more short prints. Edmundo Sosa. Park. Elvis Andrus. Man. Here we go. All right. And it's Danny Duffy. Short print. And another red parallel. Michael Franco. So we have Bruin. Rookie card. Lorenzo Kane. All right. Gets to one stack now. We're getting there. Lots of packs. Lots of packs. Oh, there's an insert. Dansby Swanson. Nope, it's not an insert. It's regular numbered. Dallas Keuchel. Grandal. Jesse Waker. Oh, look. Clubhouse Collection. Alex Bregman. Did get another hit. Check it out. Nice. Here, I thought it was going to be tough to pull out of retail stuff, but evidently 2 for 2 with mega boxes. So there we go. Alex Bregman. Nice blue, dark blue jersey piece. Relic card. All right. Let me get that sleeved up. All right. And he fit nicely in a 75-point holder, if you're keeping track of that. 75-point is what it is. It fit nicely in there. It's slightly snug, but not tight. So 75-point. Okay, so we have Blackman and Stewart rounds out that pack. Very nice. Got another hit. Don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on hobby boxes when I can spend $49.99 and get a bunch of packs and a relic card. Tara Jack Dickerson. Then and now, Zach Wheeler. Don't think I have that one. Nope. Insert. Shohei Ohtani. Here's his pitching card, I guess. Yep. His pitching statistics. No. No, it has his hitting statistics. That's weird. Has his hitting statistics, but it'd be nice if they had like 2 separate cards for him. One for batting it, one for hitting, and one for pitching. But I don't know. I didn't really see if they did or not. But they should because statistics are hard, you know. The Albies, Jed Lowry. Got the 1973. Man, I think I got 3 or 4 of this guy already. Of the Heritage Verdugo. Marte rounds out that pack. I just recognized the card. His red beard. So Murphy, another short print coming up. Reyes Krause, rookie card. Rookie pitchers. And it's Austin Gomer. His short print. Rich Hill and Mike Trout. Boyhood photos of the stars. Oddly enough, I think I already have that card. I did open a few of the Heritage stuff already. Like, opened some fat packs, a couple of blaster boxes, and a mega box. So, got a pretty good assortment of cards already from Heritage. Giolito. Flashbacks. McCovey hits his 400th. Diaz and Chapman. Matt Chapman. All right. It seemed like I got similar results in the first mega box. Got two of these cardboard whatevers and 1 relic card, and then the 3 red border parallels, and a bunch of common cards. There's Roberto Clemente. So that's the actual card, evidently, because I already received that one. I set it aside just in case if it was a short print, but it evidently wasn't. Urshela Barnhart and Zach Greinke. All right. Getting down there. A few packs to go. So we have Piscotty. There's Wander Franco. That guy. Boom. Oh, it's not going to focus. There we go. Put that right there. Okay. Naylor, Jansen, Bobby Ray, and another backwards card, Kyle Higashioka. Whoops. Odubel Herrera. And Zach Wheeler, 2 Phillies back-to-back. All right. 4 packs to go. out of this mega box. Still have one more red border to get. Marsh, Wade, Bregman, Garcia, Dansby, Swanson, each performers, Juan Soto, Hauser, Sano, and Brad Miller. Okay, getting down there. Box is almost completely open. So we have Rogers, Ronnie Dawson, Dickerson, Presley, Madrigal, Fauchot. Oh, 1973 World Trade Center. Dedicated. Justin Turner and Alec Mills rounds out that pack. Jack. All right. So Upton, Ramirez, Gonzalez. Rookie pitchers. See, Plesac, Cavan, Biggio. And we have Steven Duggar is the short print. That's weird. And then the red is Pete Alonso. It's pretty cool. I watched the Outdoor Channel sometimes, and he was on there. He was, I guess, went with somebody. They were hunting and stuff. I forget what kind of hunting, what they were looking for. It's probably deer, but I mean, like either bow or rifle. I forget which one. It was pretty cool. See him out there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was with a gun, rifle, whatever you want to call it. Because at the beginning of the show, I remember he was lining up his sights and stuff. The guy he was with was having him, sight his rifle or whatnot with the target at target practice and stuff. So he's all set up for the hunt. Just neat seeing players like outside of their element doing stuff sometimes. And that rounds out the Mega Box. Thanks for watching my Mega Box break of 2022 Topps Heritage Baseball cards. Do a quick recap and then we will skedaddle. I'll just do a recap of, here's the red parallels. Alonso, Bradley, and Franco. And I did receive another relic card of Alex Bregman Clubhouse Collection. And two more of these cardboard tabs or whatever you call them. I'm not sure what. Received two in the first box of this, so it must be a Mega Box thing. It's like they're like cardboard gum caps, whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.